Hello friends, my name is Michelle Fondin and I'm the author of Chakra Healing for Vibrant Energy, exploring your 7 energy centers with mindfulness, yoga, and Ayurveda. And today our focus is on the 3rd chakra, Manipura, or lustrous gem. And the focus is the area of the solar plexus, which is around your belly button, around your navel. And the color is yellow. This was the only yellow shirt I had. Yellow is a really hard color to find if yellow is not your color, which is definitely not my color. The color is yellow. The mantra sound is Ram, R-A-M, Ram. And the element is fire, or Tejas in Sanskrit. This is a video about yoga breathing for the 3rd chakra. And for this breathing technique, we're going to practice Bhastrika, or the Bellows Breath. And we're going to place our awareness and focus on the 3rd chakra, or the area of the solar plexus. Of course, the idea for the area of the solar plexus is to bring heat to the area. And that is exactly what the Bellows Breath does, is it brings heat to the area. To begin, what you want to do is either sit on the floor on your yoga mat crisscrossed with the spine nice and tall, or you can sit in a chair, a hard chair preferably, with either your feet flat on the floor or your feet propped up with some yoga blocks. For me, this chair is relatively low, so I just have my feet flat on the floor with my spine nice and tall. You're going to place your hands on your belly. If you can't really feel the belly moving in and out, but you really want to forcefully move that belly in and out as you do this Bhastrika, or Bellows Breath. It's a passive inhalation through the nose, followed by a forceful exhalation through the nose. Now, if your nose is a little clogged, make sure you have some tissue and blow your nose prior to doing the Bhastrika breath, because you don't want to be blowing snot everywhere. And you want to make sure that your nose is free and clear so that you can get the full benefit of the Bhastrika breath. There are certain contraindications to practicing the Bhastrika breath. If you already suffer from hypertension or high blood pressure, you want to stay away from doing the Bellows breath. Other than that, if you've had recent abdominal surgery or some trauma to the area, or you have a stomach ulcer, you want to make sure that, again, you stay away from the Bhastrika breath. You don't want to create more fire in those cases. But if you're healthy and strong, you can practice this breath effortlessly and easily. So to begin, we're going to place our hands again on the lower part of the abdomen, sitting nice and tall. Let's first take a cleansing breath in. So we're going to take a nice cleansing breath and exhale completely through the nose. And to begin, we're going to do this in short bursts. It's a passive inhalation followed by a forceful exhalation. And we'll do it for about 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and begin. Take a nice cleansing breath in and exhale. And let's begin for round 2. Here we go. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. And let's begin for our 3rd round of Bhastrika breath. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Just feeling the fire in your belly. You should be able to feel this beautiful glow in the area of the solar plexus. Allowing your breath to come gently and easily back to regular breath. Still keeping your eyes closed. Just listen to the daily affirmation for the Manipura chakra, the third chakra, the solar plexus chakra. I stand firm in my personal power as a shining example for others. I am certain of my wants, needs, and desires. I stand firm in my personal power as a shining example for others. I am certain of my wants, needs, and desires. I stand firm in my personal power as a shining example for others. I am certain of my wants, needs, and desires. I stand firm in my personal power as a shining example for others. I am certain of my wants, needs, and desires. Now let's close this third chakra breathing with our mantra sound, Ram. Inhale deeply. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel below for all of the videos on all of the chakras for breathing and a yoga practice. Please share this video with friends, family, and your yoga dog. Please support me on Patreon. I don't get paid for doing these videos. www.patreon.com/Michelle S. Fondin, and I will see you in the next video.